mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold.
Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, I just want to thank you guys for absolutely killing that last video. We went from 130 subscribers all the way past 1,500. It's all uphill from here, and thank you guys for rocking with your boy. So for today's episode, we have a new installment of Quick Fix, and you guys are probably wondering what that is. So with the nature of restorations, not every single project we get in is going to be a big project. There's going to be little projects along the way that consist of deep cleans, whitenings, things of that nature. This is where Quick Fix comes in. And with Quick Fix, we're able to have shorter duration videos because they're less in depth, but we never take a cut on quality. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into today's project. We have absolute heaters. We have a pair of 2002 Black Supreme Dunk Lows. So I don't know if you guys have seen the prices on this shoe lately, but it has been skyrocketing. They're reaching upwards of $2,000 for a beat pair. Absolutely crazy. If you guys have a pair right now, it is the perfect time to get your pair restored, to get them fixed up, so that they're looking nice and have more value. Alright you guys, so since this is an 18-year-old shoe, the most common problem with these is that the soles tend to harden, making them unwearable, but these are still very flexible and they're still very soft. A sole swap is not necessary on these, but we're going to be cleaning up the uppers, we're going to be unyellowing the midsole, and we're going to be removing the creases. But enough talk, guys. Let's go ahead and get into this episode of Quick Fix featuring these Nike SB Dunk Low Supremes. Let's get it. Yo, what is going on, you guys? Today we have absolutely one of the best Nike SBs to ever come out. One of the best collaborations ever put on the market with Nike SB, and personally one of my favorites. We are going to be starting off this restoration by whitening the midsoles. That means masking up the uppers with our blue painter's tape and then using our special sauce to whiten up the midsoles using the ice box. The reason that we tape off the uppers is so that the solution doesn't get on the upper material and potentially bleaching it. After that, we're going to clean off the midsoles using a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and alcohol. I didn't show that here because my camera died, but I'll be showing you in a later step. I know a lot of restorers out there like to flex that they don't have to use painter's tape, but honestly, no matter how long you've been doing it, you always have a potential of messing up. It's always better to be safe than sorry. That's why I always mask off the uppers when I do work. Uppers are fully masked off where the midsole meets the upper. We are now going to be using our whitening solution to spread on the midsole. It's best to spread the solution with a paintbrush just so that you get thin, even coats. After that, we're going to wrap it with saran wrap so that the solution doesn't dry out in the ice box. So first icing session is done, guys. These are looking crisp. We're going to be cleaning off the whitening solution with alcohol and con rounds. We're going to be doing that every single time we ice. We're probably going to do it about 2 times on each side. For sure, no, you guys see that difference. Is that some magic or what? Now that the midsoles are icy white, we are going to get to the fun part. We are going to get to the cleaning. We're going to be using A1 Restorations cleaner along with some shoe treats to keep the shape of the shoe as we're cleaning. So we're going to treat the elephant print just like any type of suede or nubuck. The elephant print is actually a very delicate fabric. Too much abrasion can cause the elephant print to fade away. So we're going to be using a soft bristle brush to scrub it. Now let me hit y'all with that daily dose of ASMR. Alright y'all, so last part of this restoration, we are going to be uncreasing the toe box. We are doing this at the client's request, solely because I don't believe in this thing. It's a waste of money just because when you wear it, the creases are just going to come back. When you uncrease the shoe, it's only good for taking pictures or the upcoming B-roll. And that is going to do it for today's restoration, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the end product. And that is going to do it for today's restoration video, guys. These Black Supreme lows came out beautiful, and they are ready to go back to their owner. I hope you guys like the format of the quick fix videos. They are a lot shorter, they're a lot quicker, but they get straight to the point. I know I probably don't say this enough, but I appreciate each and every single one of you guys, all the subscribers, all the people stopping by and watching the videos. If you guys like today's video, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel and you like this content, please hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think of today's restoration. I have a lot of really big restoration projects that are coming up, and I hope you guys are going to be able to join me for them. But until then, I'll catch you guys next time.